I don't use the code editor anymore. It's not even open most of the time. The window that I'm using is the conversation window with the AI, which is just generating tons of code in the background that I'm not even looking at.
This will land differently for different members of our audience. The more technically aware minded already know this, or their eyes are popping right now. For others, I just want to attempt to translate that. I'm a writer. I'm a human writer of words. I've been doing it for decades, and I'm reasonably good at it. And I use an editor, a document editor, Google Docs, whatever. The idea that to write, I would not see the page that I'm writing on, that I would just have a conversation aloud with my invisible friend and colleague and writing assistant about the piece that I'm writing, not actually seeing the words on the page. And so the idea that you of all people, what was your rank at Microsoft again? Senior vice president?
Yeah.
Yeah, vice president. I mean, and you were running a department that was focused on tools for developers, right? So you were like a developer's developer.
That's right. Yeah, I worked in development tools. Yes, my audience were software developers. Yes.
So imagine like somebody who works in the creation of Microsoft Word, who's like, I don't use Word anymore when I create words. That is the radical leap that you've just described in terms of what's happening with the vibe coding moment. I needed to process that.
Yeah, it's very strange. I'm not saying vibe coding solves all problems, because it probably causes a whole set of new problems, because I don't know what's been generated. If something goes wrong with it, if the AI can't figure out how to fix it, well, the new BLAIR is 20,000 plus lines of code. The only reason I know that is I had to ask it in preparation for this interview. Like, what are you? I don't even know what you are.